naman hindi mayaman. But money was never a problem for us to live. Not just exist, but live a comfortable life in this world. Gobernur naman yung tatay namin, mayor man ako maaga. So, don't need to steal. The salary itself would give you the best that life can give. Ang intelligence fund, something yan. Sinabi ko na nga, ROTC, PMT. Kung ayaw ninyong makinig, ayaw ninyong believe, you disbelieve ka, tignan mo ang track record yung babae na yan, anak ko, kita mo yan, kernel yan. Si reserve, natural. Ganoon talagang utak niya na yan, oh. Nadala yan sa military, thinking. That is why ang gusto niya ibalik, kasi gusto ko rin lahat ibalik yung mandatory ROTC. Ayaw, lagyan ninyo ng Malaysia yung 25 million, kayo. Pero kung 25 lang million, kaya sabi ko, madali yung 25 million sa inabot namin sa pamilya. Pati asawa ko. She can lend the money anytime. Ganun lang. Hindi yung sinasabi na palusot na ito ni Inday. Hindi kami magpalusot. Magpalusot, di man kami magnanakaw.